So today what I am going to do, I am going to show you how to install some softwares. Okay, any software. So let's say, let me close this terminal and let me open a new terminal, right? So how to install a software? So in order to install the software, that software or nothing but the package, you need that package in your system. So since we already updated, when you update the Ubuntu, their default so many softwares came here. Okay, means their packages come to your system. Okay, so let me show you like this. So like this. So what happens, this many packages come to your system like by default. Let's say you when you update your particular Ubuntu, so that moment of time these things came from the internet to your system, but the thing are they are still packed. Means let's say there is a VLC media player, right? It came to you by default because of the Ubuntu update, but it is not installed. Let's say I downloaded one file of VLC media player. Will I am able to watch movie on VLC? No, until unless I will not install that, right? So in the same way, these packages, let's say, are there, but you will not able to use them because these packages are not installed yet. Let's say for an example, there is a GIMP. GIMP is nothing but the image editor of Ubuntu, very famous image editor. Okay, so GIMP package is there. Let's say GIMP package is there, but you are not able to install. So in order to install any software, the first condition is the software must be there in your operating system. Okay, means the package must be there. Second thing, you need to install the package. So I will show you how to search that the package is there or not, and after that if it is there, how to install that. So let me open my Ubuntu machine, and in order to search that, you need to type a command apt-cache search and the software name, whatever the name is, that hit enter, and it will show you if the software exists or not. So yep, I can see the software exists in many varieties, many different languages, right? You can see from here. So what I will do in order, now I'm going to install that, right? So here you can see this is there, right? Where to go and check? Here you can see, just go here and in the first line itself you can see, so GIMP software is there, that program is there. Right now you need to install. So any command you will going to install anything, you should start with the sudo. Okay, the first thing will be sudo, and what you want to do, it should be followed always by apt-get. So I'm going to install it. So I will write apt-get. Can you apt-get, let's say it's your friend, you just tell him, can you please install, and what you want to install, GIMP. Okay, pass the password, whatever the time of the installation you given, the same password you need to type. So let me type the password and hit enter. So you can see it started installation, right? Hit Y for installation of any software. If it asks S and no, to hit Y. If you don't want, N and enter. But I am doing Y and enter. So it will unpacking the packages. So you see, it's unpacking, means it's opening that for you, and it's trying to install that. Okay, for in the backend. Yep, so it has been done. Now I want to check if the software is working fine or not. Hit clear, type the software name followed by the ampersand sign, okay, which is in your keyboard after in the button number 7. Hit enter. When you hit enter, you can see the software has been opened for you. Okay, so yep, that's the software I installed for you. So this is the way we do any kind of installation here in Ubuntu or any Linux machine. See, if you hit plus, and yep, you can do multiple things over here. Is coming with the GIMP, right? So this is one tool. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to use. If you want to type some text, you can type here. Okay, so this is the way we deal with GIMP. So let's say if you want to use, let me show you, file new. Okay, hit OK, and it will open a window machine, and whatever you want to say you can say over here. Okay, so like this, anything you can write. Okay, so this is just the software. I'm just showing you the demo how it works. So discard the changes. Let me close it, the software. Yes, hit Control C and come out of it. So this is the way we can open the software. Okay, so I hope the point is clear for you. Okay, so yeah, meet in the next class.